So instead of using the elevator, I elected to use the stairs, and I came upstairs to this lovely open floor plan. Look at that. Can you imagine? I'm going all the way around so I can. So this is pretty cool. So here is open floor plan kitchen. Great for entertaining. They have a sink, double sink here, and I would imagine there's various options for you to choose from. We have here the stove. Can you imagine having a cup of coffee in this beautiful home, and then walking outside? I'm gonna get there, hold on just a second. Walking outside to your patio and having a cup of coffee, or adult beverage of your selection. You have fantastic mountain views throughout the house. Look at that, beautiful. Oh my gosh, what fantastic selections that they've done here. So keep posted. And so there's the elevator right there that I didn't elect to come up, so I'm gonna use the stairs again. So stay tuned. I'm going. So I guess this is 4 floors. The elevator comes all the way up to the 4th floor in this model. It looks like there is an outdoor patio, which I'm gonna go to right now. Oh, wow, this is fantastic. Look at this view. Wow. Imagine having a cup of coffee up here, or a beverage of your selection. Look at this. How about that? That was amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on to the next model. So this will be video number 1 for this model. And I will get the details for you, and I will put it throughout the video, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. These are fantastic townhomes here in the northwest part of Summerlin, and wow, very cool. So I'm sitting here uploading these videos of this beautiful townhome community in the northwest part of Summerlin. I'm realizing that they may be too large of a file, so I apologize. I'm not going to make it 1 file. I'm probably going to make it 3 or 4 different files. So I want you to make sure you watch them all. Each of these models offers something unique and for everyone. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Keep watching.